YouTube, man, it's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video, man. Hey, right now I'm getting ready to bust down a Magnum, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, many videos back, you know what I'm saying? So I was gonna take my wheels off. I'm gonna go ahead, check the scrapes on these brake calipers, sand them down one more time so we don't have no more scrapes, no more nothing, man. Feel me? So y'all go ahead, make sure you like, subscribe, man. Y'all go ahead and watch what I'm doing right now. Yes, sir. That's right, man. We're on the passenger side right now, man. As y'all can see, it was scraping, even though I sanded it down, thought I was clear. But you know, over time, you know, the more the wheel get compressed up against the hub, the rotor, you know, the more it squeezes back up against here, man. So we're gonna hit this mug one more time. Hopefully this should be the last time. Like I said, it's not like it's digging in, it's like barely surface scratches. So we're gonna dig this down again, you know what I mean? And what I'm using is, hold on, let me show y'all the other side first, right quick. Big SRT 392. This side wasn't that much scraping going on. Got some up here, some down here, you feel me? But ain't nothing rubbing right here, a little rub right here. Gonna scrape this down some more, man. We gonna have it looking pretty good, man. Got the caliper paint already ready to go. We be good, man. So, but what I'm using is this grinder. Got it from what's this called? Can't think of the place called right now. Harbor Freight. Got it a couple years back, you know what I'm saying? Still gonna still use it, still perfectly fine. When it got me these dies off Amazon, because it's hard to find dies around here this big, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Got this die, came in a 4-pack, you know what I'm saying? I want to say it wasn't no more than 15 bucks for this, so we're gonna use this die. It's made with Mansory die. Anything that's made of cut down metal, you know, this rotor is metal, so I'm gonna put this in here. Hopefully it fit, which it should though, but put this in here, man, we're gonna get it popping. All right, YouTube, we back, man. See, I got it grind down, know what I mean? Got it grind down. I'm getting ready to scuff it up with the pad, man, with the sandpaper. Scuff this up. So this is 220. Really don't matter, man, what y'all use for real, you feel me? So I'm about to scuff this up like this. Scuff it up real quick so the new paint can stick. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing doing too much. Don't need to hit this area because this area is already, you know what I'm saying, smooth. But just scrape cover this part, man. Ain't gotta be perfect, man. Mine just gonna be behind the wheel anyway. Just need to get good even spray patterns, man. When you do this, you be good, man. I got my plastic bag up there, you feel me? So go ahead, cover the rotor up. Get some towels and some sheets. Cover up the paint. So I ain't scraping nothing. My bad, you too. I ain't scraping nothing up. Feel me? Let's get a good scuff right quick. You know what I mean? A little scuff. On the opposite side. Super cool. Clean. And then the pallet right there, that mother also clean. Just got done washing that up. Yeah, we're gonna just scuff this up real quick. Not really worry about the back at all. This part, the part where you know, I'm gonna spray. We're gonna just spray this top up here and this whole side, man. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Always spraying nothing else. Good fresh look. And hopefully the paint that I got, hope it's a little bit brighter. You know what I mean? Hope it's a little bit brighter than my than this paint. So it kind of pop more behind the wheel. I mean, it wouldn't make a difference if I didn't have spinners, but it is what it is. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this up. Finish this up right quick. And we go ahead and spray. All right, YouTube, I got my first coat done. And yeah, I hope it ain't scraping no more. I hope I shade enough off to where I ain't gotta worry about this no more. But I'm not doing this again. Best believe that. I won't be doing this again until I change my wheels Get rid of these wheels. Throw some regular stags on here and take the spinners off, man. But yeah, man, y'all see spraying it up. It's a tad bit brighter. Hopefully you can see better through it. Well, you ain't gonna see it on this side for sure, but just because it's a full face wheel. But yeah, man. That's when you pop more summertime, give them a pop more. Like I said, I always respray my calipers up in here. See them pallet gang. Yeah. We sprayed up for the new summer. You feel me? Yes, sir. Big LTZ on them 24s, man. Yup, big LTZ on them 24s. Ooh, shit. That motherfucker glistening in the sun, boy. You know what I'm saying? Big Malibu turbo. You feel me? Turbo LTZ. Yes, sir, man. Got that motherfucking tan guts in there. Looking so luxurious. Yeah, man, I'm almost done, man. I'm gonna put probably 2 coats, man. Probably put this last coat on, man. I probably won't do 3. You see, it's my dusty coupe. Feel me? I say the coupe, I mean the Magnum. Dusty Magnum. Dirty SRT. Big dirty SRT, man. And we got the coupe, man. The coupe with a roof. Yeah. Don't worry about the little spillage on the floor, man. Little spillage right there. There ain't nothing like that, no oil, nothing like that. That's that Lucas oil, man. Top and fell over and top fell over. Yeah, man. But yeah, you see the coupe. We does this, man. Big SRT gang. Big 392 gang. Hold on, I'm blocking the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do this last coat probably, man. Then after that, man, my wheels back up. I ain't gonna show none of that, man. But I'll get the picture, man. It's a little quick video. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Young Rich 419. Make sure, man, y'all check out my other vids, man. Got plenty vids, man, that I put up there in the past 3 years, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Let's get to it.